If you ever feel nervous when you meet new people, this conversation will help you learn how to start a friendly talk in a simple and natural way. Today's story is about two people meeting for the first time at an evening English class.
You will hear real-life style English, easy words, short sentences, and natural emotions.
So relax, listen carefully, and imagine you are there with them. Okay, let's start our conversation.
Hello, friend. How are you?
Hello, friend. I'm doing great. And you?
I'm doing also great. May I ask you some questions, please?
Sure, it's my pleasure.
What is your name?
My name is Alex, and what is your name?
My name is Maya.
So, you are Maya, and I am Alex. That's nice.
Yes, it's very nice to meet you, Alex. How is your day going so far?
My day is going well. It's a little busy, but I feel good today. What about your day?
My day is calm. I woke up early and had a quiet morning. I like mornings because everything feels fresh.
That sounds peaceful. I wish I could wake up early every day, but I usually wake up late.
That's okay. Everyone has a different routine. Are you a morning person or a night person?
Definitely a night person. I feel more active in the evening. My mind works better at night.
Interesting. I'm the opposite. At night, I feel tired very quickly.
So tell me, what is the first thing you do after you wake up?
The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. Then I check my phone and read messages. And you?
I usually check my phone first. Then I make coffee. I can't start my day without coffee.
Coffee lovers are everywhere. Do you like strong coffee or light coffee?
Strong coffee. It helps me feel awake and focused.
Nice. I prefer tea. Tea makes me feel relaxed.
How do you usually feel in the morning? Energetic or sleepy?
Most days I feel energetic. Morning gives me motivation. It feels like a fresh start.
I like that idea. A fresh start. For me, the best feeling is when I finish my work. Then I feel relaxed and proud.
Yes, finishing something is always satisfying. Even small tasks make me happy.
True. Small wins make a big difference.
By the way, do you like quiet places or busy places?
I like a mix. Sometimes I enjoy busy places because they feel alive. But when I want to think, I prefer quiet places.
Same here. Balance is important. Too much noise can be tiring.
Yes, especially after a long day. Then silence feels like a gift.
It's really nice talking with you. I feel comfortable already.
Me too. You are easy to talk to.
In the next part, let's talk about hobbies and free time.
That sounds fun. I have a lot to share.
So, Alex, in the last part, we talked about daily life. Now I'm curious, what do you like to do in your free time?
That's a good question. In my free time, I like simple things. I usually watch movies, listen to music, or just relax.
That sounds nice and relaxing. Do you prefer watching movies alone or with friends?
Mostly alone. I enjoy the quiet feeling when I watch a movie by myself, but sometimes watching with friends is fun too.
I understand that. I also enjoy both, but I think movies feel more emotional when I watch alone.
Yes, exactly. You can really feel the story.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft and calm music, something that makes me feel peaceful. And you?
I like music that changes my mood. Sometimes calm music, sometimes energetic songs.
Music is powerful. It can change how we feel in seconds.
So true. When I feel stressed, music helps me relax.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I do. I enjoy reading and sometimes writing my thoughts. It helps me understand myself better.
That's interesting. Writing is a great way to express feelings.
What about you? Do you have a hobby you really love?
I like learning new things. It could be anything, a skill, a topic, or even a new idea.
That's a great habit. Learning keeps life exciting. What do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I try to relax. Sometimes I go out for a walk. Sometimes I stay home and rest.
Walking is nice. It clears the mind.
Yes, especially in the evening. The air feels calm and peaceful.
My weekends are similar. I like slow mornings and quiet evenings.
Do you enjoy spending time with friends often?
Yes, but not all the time. I like meaningful conversations more than big crowds.
Same here. Deep conversations feel more real.
Exactly. Talking like this feels very natural.
I agree. It feels comfortable and easy.
So, Alex, in this part, let's talk about dreams. I think everyone has something they want to achieve in life.
Yes, that's true. Dreams give us direction and motivation.
What is one dream you have right now?
My biggest dream is to grow as a person, not just in career, but in mindset and confidence.
That's a meaningful dream. Personal growth changes everything.
What about you, Maya? What is something you really want in the future?
I want a peaceful and happy life, a life where I feel satisfied with what I do every day.
That sounds simple, but it's actually very powerful.
Do you set goals for yourself?
Yes, I try to set small goals. Small steps feel easier and more realistic.
That's smart. Small goals build confidence.
Exactly. When you complete small goals, you feel motivated to continue.
I also like setting goals, but I focus more on consistency.
Consistency is the key to success.
What motivates you when you feel tired or lazy?
I remind myself why I started. That usually brings my focus back.
That's a strong mindset. Remembering your purpose helps a lot.
Yes, and sometimes I take a short break. Rest is important too.
I agree. Balance makes the journey easier.
Do you ever feel afraid of failing?
Sometimes, yes, but I try to see failure as a lesson.
That's a healthy way to think. Failure teaches us what success cannot.
Exactly. Every mistake is a chance to grow.
I believe confidence comes from trying again.
Yes, courage is built step by step. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself more confident, more skilled, and happier. Not perfect, but better than today.
That's a realistic vision. Progress matters more than perfection.
And you, how do you imagine your future?
I imagine a calm life where I enjoy my work and my time, a life with purpose and balance.
That sounds beautiful and peaceful.
Talking about dreams feels inspiring.
Yes, it reminds us that growth is always possible.
In the next part, maybe we can talk about challenges in real life.
That would be interesting. Challenges make stories real.
All right, let's continue in the next part. Talking about dreams is beautiful, but real life also has challenges.
Yes, challenges are part of every journey. They help us become stronger.
What is one challenge you faced recently?
I had trouble managing my time. I felt busy but not productive.
That happens to many people. What did you do to fix it?
I started planning my day. Just simple planning made a big difference.
That's a great solution. Sometimes small changes solve big problems. Do you think difficult times teach us something?
Definitely. Hard moments teach patience and strength.
I agree. They also teach us what really matters in life.
Yes, after every difficult time, we understand ourselves better.
Growth usually comes from discomfort.
Exactly. Comfort feels nice, but challenges make us grow.
Who supports you when you feel down?
My close friends. Talking to someone always helps me feel lighter.
Support is very important. No one should handle everything alone.
And sometimes just positive thinking helps too.
Yes, mindset changes how we see problems.
A positive mind finds solutions faster.
Today we talked about daily life, dreams, goals, and challenges.
Yes, and every topic shows one thing. Life is a journey of learning.
And communication makes the journey easier.
That's true. Talking helps us understand each other better.
I really enjoyed this conversation.
Me too. It felt natural and meaningful.
If you are learning English, remember, you don't need perfect grammar to communicate.
You just need practice and confidence.
Speak a little every day.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Consistency will always bring progress.
Thank you for staying with us till the end.
We hope this conversation helped you practice real English.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving.
See you in another conversation soon.
I would like to finish here today. See you again some other day.